Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at those super cool graphics online where an image fills the shape of a single letter, like a bold B filled with a mountain landscape, and wondered how do they asterisk do asterisk that, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a striking letter effect using Canva step by step. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to make standout text designs that grab attention for your social media posts, presentations, or even personal projects. So let's dive right in. Alright, so first things first, I already have a canvas open in Canva, but don't worry if you're starting from scratch, you can simply hit create a design and choose the size you need. Now to get this letter effect, we're going to use a really handy app inside Canva called TypeQtout. To find it, look over at the left menu bar and click on apps. This is where all sorts of powerful tools are tucked away. In the search bar at the top, type in TypeQtout all one word. The search is pretty forgiving, but make sure you spell it right so it pops up quickly. Once you see the TypeQtout app, give it a click to open it up in your workspace. Next, you'll be prompted to add an image. This is the picture that's going to fill our letter, so pick something that really pops. It could be a landscape, a photo of your pet, or even an abstract texture, whatever you want to highlight inside the letter. Take a moment here to choose a good quality image, because the better your starting photo, the more dynamic your final effect will be. Now comes the magic, choose which letter you want. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the letter B, but honestly any letter works, so feel free to get creative. When you type B into the app, it'll create a bold, stylish cutout of the letter right on your canvas. What's cool here is you can resize or move your letter really easily, so play around until you're happy with how it looks. After that, it's time to add some design touches to make your letter pop even more. Think about adding some effects, drop shadows, or maybe tweaking the font style if the app gives you that option. Remember, the whole idea here is to make the letter the star of your project, so feel free to experiment. There's really no wrong answer. Now to give the whole thing some context, you'll want a nice background image. Head over to the Photos tab or upload your own background into Canva. Once you've chosen one, click it to drop it onto your canvas and then make sure it sits behind your letter cutout. This will help frame the effect and make it stand out. One final really fun step is called Magic Grab. You'll see this under the Edit options when you click your background image. Magic Grab lets you select and isolate parts of your image, almost like pulling a sticker out of a page. If you want to feature just one part of your background inside that letter, use Magic Grab to lift it, and then carefully proportion and position it so it fits neatly within your B. Take your time with this part. The alignment and cropping really make the difference between something that looks thrown together and a design that looks professional. And that's it, zoom out and admire your finished letter effect. Even if this was your first try, it should look sleek and eye-catching. If something feels a little off, don't worry. You can always go back, adjust the size, move your images, or try a new picture until you're happy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Canva trick you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, creative tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.